Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see response validation. So while creating a Google form, we need to actually check if a particular email is correct or not. And that can be done with this big regular expression. It is very tough to write such big regular expressions, right? So what they have done is we are already having some built-in libraries in Python. Here you can see response validator collection or validators from py.py. So what we are asked to do is we need to just write a program with the help of this particular libraries and check if our program is working fine to check if a specific email is valid or not. You may not use RE. That is the only thing which they have said. So it is very easy because we are going to use the built-in library. So this is the library. So for quick reference, what I did was I just searched the email thing in this particular page and I found where is this email working available. So here inside this checkers, we can see internet related is email is available. So we can just implement it inside our program in a very quick manner. So from validator collection, I'm going to import checkers because inside this checkers only we saw that email is email available, right? So first, okay, now we can just ask for the email from the user. Email is equal to input email. I have asked it from the user and I'm just writing if checkers dot is email if and what is the thing email. If this is true, then I'm going to print valid. Else I will just print invalid. So this is very simple. It is just that we need to search this particular is email inside our program, I guess. Okay. Now let us try to run and see the program. Okay, what is the error? Okay, could not be resolved because we did not write the PIP. Okay, everything is downloaded. Now I will just try to run the program. Okay, email sss at yyyy.com. Yeah, valid, perfect. I think it is very simple, guys, and let us just run a check CS50 and see whether our program is complete with all the test cases. Yeah, everything is fine. Don't forget to submit and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.